What's up people and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 8 Instagram hacks, tips and tricks. So let's get into the video. Open Instagram and then click any random picture. Now choose the sticker option which is on the top corner. Now choose the GIF option. Now search for any GIF which has multicolors and which is glowing. I'll choose the heart. Now maximize the size of the GIF until it fits the screen completely. Now save the post. After it's saved, discard the post. Now open the saved GIF and then choose the pen tool which is on the top right corner and then choose the third tool. Now choose any color whichever you like and then hold on the screen for 2 seconds and the color will be changed. Now choose the fourth tool which is the eraser tool and then write whatever you require. For example, I'll write as hello and here it is. Isn't it cool? In this trick you're gonna learn how to view the profile picture of a private account in Instagram without following them. Open Instagram and then search for the profile of which you need to view the profile picture. I'll open a private account and then what you have to do is click on the 3 dots on the top right corner and then you can see an option as copy profile URL. Click on that and then now open Google Chrome and then paste the link which you have copied over there. Now what you have to do is very simple. Open the link which you have pasted over here and then you have to add a number 0 before Instagram and then press on enter. And it's done. Now click on the profile picture and then you can view it. Open Instagram. Now go to your profile and you can see 3 lines on the top right corner. Click on that. Open settings. You can see an option as privacy. Now click on activity status and then turn it off. Now nobody can see your last active time on Instagram. Open your story and then click on any picture you require, or else you can also choose a picture from your gallery which is already captured. So I'll choose the picture and then you have to choose the pen tool which is on the top right corner and then choose the second tool which is the highlight tool and then choose any color you require and select it, or you can also use the drop tool and select which color you require and tap on hold on the screen for 1 second and the color will be changed. Now use the fourth tool which is the eraser tool and then you can choose whichever size you require accordingly and then write whatever you need. I'll write it as lunch and it's done. Open your story and then click on any picture, or else you can also choose the picture which is already captured in your gallery. I'll choose this one and then choose the font tool and write whatever text you require. I'll write it as rainbow. Now you can increase the size of the font and then choose the text completely and then choose the color whichever you require and long press on that. Now use both your fingers to drag the color and the text at the same time. And then here it is, it's done. Open Instagram and go to your profile and then you can see 3 lines on the top right corner. Click on that and open settings and then choose the privacy option and then click on tags. Now you can see an option as hide photos on videos. Choose that and click on whichever photo you don't require which is tagged. So I'll choose few photos and click on the eye tool on the top right corner and then press on hide from profile and it's gone. You can see over here it's no longer available. You can also turn off this option so that whenever someone tags you in a post, it asks your permission first to display it on your profile. open your story and click on any picture, or else you can also choose the image from your gallery which is already captured. I'll choose this one and then choose the font tool and then write whatever text you require. For example, I'll write it as Tech Panda and click on done, and then increase the font size slightly and then click on the font tool again and then write the same thing, but this time I'll be changing the font color and then increase the size accordingly to the first font. Now adjust it to the first font and then here it is. You'll get a 3D effect. Now here you go. You can also add some extra cool features to that. Choose this one and then choose the first option. You can see it here, and you can also use the fourth one, which is super cool, and there you go. Open your story and click on any random picture and then choose the pen tool which is on the top right corner and choose any color you require, and then tap on the screen for 2 seconds and hold it so the color will change, and then choose the second tool and choose a different color to write, and then write whatever you require, and choose the fifth tool. Now choose a different color and let's add some extra effect to it. So here it is. I hope you guys liked the video. If yes, please do press on the like button and also subscribe to my channel and show your support so that it helps me to create more content like this. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice time.